Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we have another ammo test to do. We're in between the NRL 22 season, so no real course of fire for me to practice, but there's drills that I will be doing. In the meantime, we'll be doing some ammo testing again. The ammo testing we're going to be doing today is this stuff. I know for a while this stuff was everywhere and you could get it pretty decent price. I happen to have quite a few of this stuff because I use it to plink with. But I thought, well, let's see if we can see how it does well out my rifle, and also let me weight sort and rim thickness measure rounds and put together a group that are consistent, meaning rim thickness are the same and the weight are the same. And let's see if we can improve to see if it makes a difference on target. So let's get going. We'll start out at 50 yards, see how she groups unsorted, unweighted, just right out of the box, see how she groups. And then we'll take a batch of 10 that's been weight sorted and rim thickness measured and see how that groups and what kind of numbers we get on the chronograph. Then we'll take it at 100 yards. We'll take the groups that have been measured and weighed and see how that holds together at 100 yards. All right, let's get going. All right, folks, we're gonna go for the top left-hand target. This is Federal Automatch. This is also unsorted, unweighted ammo. Just basically taking it right out of the box and loading it up and shooting it. So let's see how she groups at 50 yards. Top left-hand target, guys. Here we go. Yeah, picked up, shot way to the left there, as you can see. And let's see if maybe this is just kind of how this ammo wants to shoot. So I do have a little bit of wind, so yeah. That wasn't me. Oh, that third shot did follow the other second one. And the fourth one. I get it, folks. The lube from previous ammo used may have affected that first one, I don't know. But I'm actually pretty impressed with the way the rest of the rounds are falling together. And you can see there's a bit of a wind. Okay, guys. Numbers aren't the greatest, but I wouldn't expect it to be for a plinking set of ammo. So now let's see how it does with ammo that has been weight sorted and rim thickness measured, and see if maybe the groups will fall together. All right, guys. This is at 50 yards. Let's see how the weight sorted and rim thickness measured Federal Automatch does at 50 yards. Nice. Good. definitely tighter group. And it looks like it's consistently holding it together. Oh. That last shot did open it up. That could be shooter input, but if you look at our numbers on the chronograph, it really didn't make much of a difference. But if you look at the target accuracy wise, it looks like it held together, was a lot more consistent. So now let's go ahead and move the target out to 100 yards and see if it holds together at 100 yards. All right, folks, so now we have the target at 100 yards. This is weight sorted and rim thickness measured Federal Automatch, and let's see if she holds together at 100 yards. My computer is telling me I'm about 1.5 mils of hold. I have a little bit of wind, between 3 to 5 mile an hour wind, and it's asking for about 2/10 to 4/10 hold. So I'm gonna go at 2/10 for now because it seems to be kind of off and on. And let's see how she groups at 100 yards. Here we go. I have no idea where that round went. I can't. Let's see if I can see that. Oh, I know where it went. It went into the ground. Sorry, guys. I had the wrong dope. Here we go again, guys. Here we go. Let's back up. 100 yards. Okay, all right. Yeah. At 100 yards, this ammo is not doing so hot. It's obvious my wind call's a little off. I'm trying to get the shots off before there's a wind shift here. And yeah, that's 10 shots, guys. All right, I'll let you guys draw your conclusion. And in terms of numbers, not really, didn't make much of a difference on the chronograph. And accuracy wise at 100 yards in the condition I'm at, you would probably need a 3 MOA target to make it worth your while. All right, let's get a close-up shot of the target and we'll go from there. All right, folks, you saw how that went. This stuff, when it was weight sorted and rim thickness measured at 50 yards, I think did make an improvement, but at 100 yards, it didn't hold together very well for me. You guys can draw your own conclusion, but I don't think this would be a great ammo for the NRL 22 unless they throw 3 MOA size targets out there. You'll see a screenshot of what the target looked like. But at 50 yards, if you were doing 50-yard work, this stuff would work fine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.